Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to reset the phone in Redmi. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to press the button from here. You have to press the button from here for a little bit longer. So you can see here power off, airplane mode, silent and reboot. So you have to press this one to reset it. You have to press again. So you have to wait it. So it is done now. The phone has been reset. So it is done now. So please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.